Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to change your region in the Galaxy Store app so you can access apps and games that are not available in your country. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now tap on connections. Now in here, you will need to tap on SIM manager. Now here you will need to turn off your SIM from here and then select turn off. If your phone has a physical SIM card, make sure to eject it as well. Now open the quick settings panel, go ahead and enable the airplane mode. Once you have done that, you will need to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that now. Once your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, open any VPN app. You can download a free VPN app from the Play Store for this. Once you have opened the app, simply connect to a region like US or any other where all the Galaxy Store apps are available. Once you have done that, simply long press on the Galaxy Store icon, tap this info icon here. Now tap on this force stop option and then select OK. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now in here tap on clear cache. Now select clear data and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done that, simply open the Galaxy Store app. And now you'll be able to access apps and games that are not available in your region. So for example, if I search for Good Guardians, as you can see, I can also download the app now. Now if you want to keep it this way even when you activate your SIM, simply open the recent apps menu. Now tap on the Galaxy Store icon here and then select keep open. Once you have done that, your app will stay in the background even when you close everything else. So as you can see, the Galaxy Store still shows as the background app. So now I can go ahead and disable the airplane mode and re-enable the SIM card. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.